Namaste, welcome back to the new video of mine. So for today's video I'm very much excited because after a long time I'm going to apply something on my hair. So yes, I'm going to make a hair pack, and for that you will need a henna, and the henna that I always use is this Nupur henna, and this is my own personal favorite and I always go for this. You should also use this whenever it comes for the hair. It works wonder to the hair. So I have already made the paste and I'll tell you how to make that. So you have to watch this also at the same time. So you will need a pot. Basically you will need a iron pot, and in that you have to add half cup of henna, and the another ingredient you have to add in this is this 2 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds and half cup of curd. And if you have a long hair, then you can go 1:1 ratio of curd and then henna if you have a long hair. So now you have to mix this and keep it overnight, and let the ingredient mix together, and it will work wonder for your hair. I'm telling you, you should use this pack. So in the morning you will see that the paste has been changed into black, and the other 2 ingredient you can add is egg, which is totally optional but I always use, so I'm telling you. And you can also use the lemon. It's just to remove the smell of the egg. I don't have right now, so I'm not adding. So now what you have to do, mix the paste and keep it in a mixture and make a thin paste. So this is how it looks like. Now it's totally ready to apply on the hair, and before that I'll tell you, this pack is very much beneficial for all the hair problems, including graying hair, or you can say dandruff, hair fall, everything. So you should try this. And one of my friend asked me to make a video on graying hair, so I'm making this. Hope you are watching this video. So yes, let's apply this on hair. I'm going to tell you how to apply this. So it's a very easy process. First you have to detangle your hair, and please wear something black or old clothes, because you are not going to ruin your clothes, so please do that. So this is the paste and you can see the consistency. Now I'm going to apply this. Make a middle part. You can wear gloves also, but I'm comfortable doing this way, so I have no problem. Let's apply this. Take it. Again make a section. Done with the front. Now I'll tell you how to apply in the back. Make a part and then apply this. Apply in the roots also, all over the hair. So I have applied henna all over my hair, you can see. Now you can add this plastic, or if you have a cap, then you also can cover with a cap. Plastic is not a bad option also right now. So in this way cover it and let it dry for 45 to 1 hour only, not more than that, because more it get drier, more your hair will dry, so avoid that. I'll tell you when to wash. So it's been an hour and now I'm going to wash my hair. As you can see, it's still there is a moisture. You don't let it dry completely, so this is perfect. Now you have to wash it. I'll show you after the wash. Like after the hair wash, and I haven't even used the conditioner also, only shampoo was enough I guess, and not even comb the hair, and you can see it's so manageable, not frizzy anymore, it's so silky at the same time. So I think you people should use this hair mask, and please give me your feedback also if you like or not. And I hope you like today's video. If you do, you know what you have to do. Just like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.